Okay, the video today I would like to share step to set up the SD-WAN edge router using uh, the configuration group instead of mm, the device template and feature template. Let's talk about the topology. I add the one more edge router and its location at DC. So the name is DC router 1. To set up, I onboarded the router into my manager already. So now I just forget the step to uh, set up the configuration group. And after done the configuration group, I attack the DC router 1 and then put the configuration to it. Okay. Okay, let me show the router, the new router I input in the data center. Let's show SD-WAN control connection. Okay. Okay, so now I only had the V1 and vmanage. Let me show run. So SD-WAN run. Okay, I had the system IP, SID, origination name, V1, static DNS, uh, IP, interface IP, REST. Okay, so come back to the manager GUI and the device now here is invalid, right? But reachability is valid. So to configure the configuration using the configuration group, go to the configuration and join the configuration groups. And the first step I need to define the profiles, system profile, transport management profile, so on. And after done the profiles, I need to create a configuration group and then input each profile into my configuration group. Okay, now let's create a new system profile. Okay, let's name DC system profile and create. And then you see I had the profile filter and this is the mandatory, so I cannot delete. I can add the new filter here, log panels, NTP, CA, or SNMP, so on. Okay, let's start as the global configuration as new, and because I need name DC. Okay, so go service visible, okay, and BGB, so visible, and using SSH version. Let's modify to version 2, KYCB, load balance has algorithm, keep system default, okay, and auto setting, okay, and save. Okay, now the AAA, I need create new. Okay, local, I need define the name. Okay, the backward. Okay, confirm. Private 15. Okay, in the radius. Until now, I will keep. We know this configuration, card account authorization, one queue, and authorize and obtain in authorize order. Okay, now I should use the local. Okay, using the local account on the router. Stuff and the PFD. So key, and I think keep by default non change anything. Okay, OMB, DC, OMB. Okay, reference retag enable, assembly limit. Okay, shut down, no. Okay, admin distance 251 is default, and advertise the IPv4 connected stated. I will disable, I will visit. Okay, and okay, this is enough. Okay, and the basic configuration, basic, and the device group, decryption, location, time zone, transport gateways, visible, consumable race, overlay ID, okay, one, and controller group. I need define one, okay, okay, overlay ID. Let's try the default. Maximum organization, okay, keep default. Track setting, keep default. Port hopping, port access, on demand. Till now, is you will keep it disabled. When admin tag on fail, on. Okay, save. Okay, so now I then create the system profile and then back to the transport and management. Transport and management, I need to define the VPN 0, transport VPN, and transport interface. Okay, transport file. Okay, let DC. Okay, and I need add the new DC VPN 0. Basic configuration default is 0. At 10 SMAK enable DNS, and the button I need create a new hot map pin to define the IP of VPN. VPN 113.1.1.1.3 and 111.2, and the route IP route I need default route. Okay, and subnet mark. Okay, the gateway hop, and I need add the NAC hop. The NAC hop is 112.1.1.1.2.1.1.1.3. Okay, save ID 1, and okay, visit. I don't have service, I don't have self, and I need add the VPN 0 interface, Ethernet interface. Okay, and also add new DC VPN 0 interface. Set down, no, the file name gigabit Ethernet 1. Okay, decryption 2, SD-WAN, ISP name ISP1, bandwidth now, auto detect no. Okay, and IPv4 setting. Okay, I need choice stated, and IP address I need use define specific to add the fill in the value later. Okay, so them also. Okay, secondary no. Let me disable the IP visit. Okay, and save. Check one more time. Okay, I need to enable the tunnel interface. Okay, caller. Let's try Z internet caller decryption 4 digit no until now, and groups border and allow service level continue edge and ICMP con and encapsulation using exact event option. Okay, okay, so set and mark. Okay, I think profile service and authors I will skip it, and now I need to upgrade the configuration group. Okay, let's upgrade DC big group and single router. Okay, and show the system profile and transport management profile. Okay, so here I can add the device, edge device. Okay, and this one side 900 and self. Okay, right after I associate the device, the proficiency status the absent. Oh, I had not deployed yet, right? Save. Okay, so now I need to deploy the configuration to the router and deploy and join the router and okay, and fill in the value. Okay, do a stack full. Okay, I will rest. This one 112.11.14, 112.114, and cinematic 30. Okay, and that. Okay, and let's review the configuration on the COI. Cho device. Okay, side by side. Okay, who's this one? Where is host name, router. Okay, let me close and change the host name. Come back to the configuration group and deploy again. And I change the host name over there and P01. Okay, okay, next and review COI one more time. So 100, 900. Okay, VPN also now the VPN remove. Okay, to move to below and gap abstract. Okay, let me check the routing. Make sure the router can reach to my manager, VPN and controller. Okay, hot name, DNS. Okay, this is my static route. Okay, now SAS. Okay, look good. So deploy and view the deployment status. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Okay, the team the config group so set to deploy to device. Okay, let's go to the CUI. Okay, a lot of block here, right? We must peer this the DC and login and so SD-WAN control connection. Now I had the vSmart, two vSmart and one vManage. Okay, because I only had one transport line on the router DC router 1, so I only had the 2 DTLI connection to the smart. Now I'm about to create a one service VPN, set up the IP address on the bit 2. Okay, come back to the configuration group and I need to go to the service profile and let's create a one profile. This is service. Okay, gray, and need to add the filter service VPN and add the new service VPN. DC VPN1 and the basic configuration 1. This then keep and enable SD-WAN remote access. Until now I will disable. Okay, disable the IPv6 as well. And the next name no need. Okay, IPv4 route service route. Okay, save. That's enough for the VPN 1, and I need to create a service VPN 1 interface. This one, and it's an interface. Add new. This is VPN 1 interface. Okay, so set now. Now interface name. My interface is gigabit 2 gigabit Ethernet 2 and description VPN 1. Okay, and IP rate cited at define. I will fill in the value later. Change the keyword. Okay, this one. Okay, and the IPv6 disable. Ethernet no. BRB till now don't need. IRB isolate trusted and when let me check whether something I need to do. I think no, so save. Okay, so back and come back to the configuration group and I need edit. Okay, add the service profile, this one, and so then I think I need create a one more the CLI, create a file CLI. This is CLI create, and this one I will define platform so serial. Okay, so okay, up to configuration edit, and it add the profile the CLI, and this is CLI, and so now I can deploy the new configuration to my DC router. Deploy and that. Okay, save it and need to filter address. My address 110.191 10.190 24. Okay, 24 08K in net, and let's check the configuration using CLI. Okay, let's check what's different. This one, that D1 OMB. Now I had one VIF IPv1, IPv4, and IPv6, and I add platform console 0, and my VPN1 set up under the Gigabit Ethernet 2, red 10.191.24, okay, and upload and deploy. View deployment status, and let's wait a few seconds. Okay, success. So check log. Okay, config group successfully deployed to the device. So now let's saw IT1 OMP browse. Okay, now I had one OMP route VPN1. This benefit come from the VPN1 up to PC router. Okay, and color the PC internet. Okay, so my configuration is working fine, right? Thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Hope that you like and just subscribe my channel. Bye bye.